project portrays about the spiritualism in Islam. Initially, I got an invitation from a good friend of mine to photograph the dance of whirling dervishes. However, that innocent task then made me join in with the murid or the seeker to attend their gathering activities where they do zikr and study Sufism, tasawwuf, or the spirituality of Islam. I had always imagined that spiritualism is mystic and secretive, something that I cannot get to hold on. But then I realized that the murshid is teaching their murid to feel the presence of Allah and the Prophet. In contrast of the more perceived Islamic teaching of strict laws and rules, the teacher suggests their murid to seek Allah inside themselves to practice tolerance, humbleness, and affection in their daily life. As I get deeper into the community, I had the opportunity to attend suluk, a ritual of traversing a path to Allah, where murid practice to pray without human contact for days in order to strengthen their connection with God, to feel and to immerse into oneness. At this moment, I came to realize that this practice of spiritualism is similar to photography, of finding the light of truth.
From documenting to immersing, Sabta Hudaya lives the life of a murid, the disciple, and the life of a teacher at the same time within the spirituality of Islam and photography. He started and runs Wash and Burn, a public photo darkroom in South Jakarta, where his own gravity enables other young photographers to whirl with the light on their own path to seek the truth.